Hey everyone, it's the Village Mayor discovering places through photography. In this video, we will visit Bronte Heritage Waterfront Park, located on the east side of Bronte Harbour, and then Coronation Park. Both of these locations are in the town of Oakville. Bronte Heritage Waterfront Park contains a large marina, the Harbour Lighthouse Center, and the attached lighthouse, playgrounds, and a lot of grass. I came here for a spontaneous visit a few hours before a late fall storm hit in mid-December. This park is great for landscape, nature, and wildlife photography. Both parks are located on the shores of Lake Ontario a few minutes apart from each other and is located along Lakeshore Road in Oakville, west of Toronto. The tour starts off at the Bronte Heritage Waterfront Park, and one of the first things to notice are the brightly painted Muskoka chairs commissioned by a local artist. These chairs are scattered throughout the park and comes in threes. On the east side of the park is Bill Hill Promenade, which links the park to a boardwalk that extends along the shoreline to the east of the park. Here, you can see yachts are stored for the winter, and when the winds are very strong, like the day that I visited, the rings that are attached to the mast creates a clanging sound. I rather like this photo because the yachts that are protected for the winter season is covered in kind of this white tarp, which kind of blends in with the sky. And the only thing that's visible in this photo are the masts themselves. Um, as mentioned, the boardwalk hugs the shoreline in front of the condo buildings, and I bet it is an amazing place to live in one of these condos. There is a marina, which of course is empty in winter, and with the empty marina gives me an opportunity to try out some of the symmetry and more creative photos. This photo here shows the individual mooring docks on the left and the right of the photo. The park also includes a small lighthouse, which is a local landmark. And as you can see, it was a really cloudy day, and in a way, almost made the lighthouse blend in with the sky, which actually isn't really great. A photographer might advise never to take photos when it's cloudy, but really, in my opinion, why not? Weather conditions like this that I experienced was ideal to create a certain mood. And with the flying seagull located to the right of the building, it added a little bit of life to the photo. In this photo here, I took the opportunity to take another shot of the marina from a different angle. The winds were whipping around, so I couldn't get a reflection from the water. For post-production, I added a filter, which I usually never do, and reduced the brightness of the sky to, again, create another moody photo since there wasn't really a subject here. On the north side of the park is a row of expensive and nice-looking homes. To take advantage of the incredible views, most of the houses here have balconies on the second and even third floors, and most of these homes are tastefully designed. The next location is Coronation Park, a 5-minute drive away from Bronte Harbour. I stumbled upon this park and really wasn't planning on visiting. The park is actually worth the visit, especially with kids, as there are opportunities for some photography and there's an expansive playground as well. The intense wave action on Lake Ontario that day gave me a chance to take some action shots of the intense waves. I do have much to learn as the shutter speed could have been much higher to capture the individual sprays, but I guess it turned out all right. There is a sandy beach in this park and also a rocky outcrop, which gave me another chance for some further wave action photos. Due to the choppy waters, it almost resembled the Atlantic or Pacific Ocean on a stormy day. One of my favorite photos during this photo walk was the wave action and a passing seagull. Again, if the shutter speed was higher, the image would have been much sharper. The park includes picnic and playgrounds. There are also a lot of mature trees like the ones I saw here. I really loved the mature willow trees due to the unique structure on its trunk. The park also includes other picnic areas and playgrounds, and also other mature trees that are scattered around the park. So that wraps up this video. I really highly recommend visiting both Bronte Heritage Waterfront Park and also Coronation Park. So thanks for watching, and I will see you again soon.